Today, the petition filed on behalf of B.S. Yediyurappa had come up before the High Court.
Okay, sir.
Substantial points were argued before the court. Mainly, that the action seems to be, we are suspicious that the action seems to be a malified one, a politically motivated. On the ground that he has always cooperated with the investigation. Notice were given earlier also, he has participated. The last notice given, only 1 day's advance notice was given to him. So therefore, he, by preoccupied meetings, he was unavailable. He has voluntarily written a letter to the IO that he will be coming there and appearing on 17th. Despite this, the IO decided and the investigating agency decided to move the court and get a warrant. This raises serious doubts about their intention. So therefore, we had pleaded all these points before the court. Since we have voluntarily said we are going to appear on 17th and they wanted to arrest us somehow, the court has now put a hold on that. There won't be any more coercive steps against B.S. Yediyurappa. Keeping in mind, he is a former chief minister, and also keeping in mind, he has always cooperated with the investigating agency.
Sir, will he be appearing, sir, on the 17th? The court has directed that he appear before the police on the 17th.
It looks like a modified intention in this petition filed.
Will he be appearing on the 17th, sir?
No, as per the dictum of the High Court, and as we have ourselves said, we are going to appear on 17th. We will be appearing on 17th.
As far as the argument is concerned, judge clearly said that it looks like a malified interest, and somewhere it looks like the petitioner was not intentionally appearing. He is preoccupied. It looks like the case was booked on some of the merits which they wanted from their side. Do you feel that's it?
Now we have brought to the notice of the court that the issue itself was as long as 2-3 months ago. And all along he has cooperated with the investigation. What is so hurry that right now they want to arrest? Those substantial grounds were not made out for arrest at all. And this issue of taking a warrant from the court raised serious doubts about their intention. So therefore, the liberty of Mr. Yediyurappa is today protected. No coercive action has been ordered. And he will take part in the investigation.
Was there any discussion about the lady's the intention, because there are several cases was filed by the lady, and looks like there is a political vendetta as well in this case?
Now there are two parts of it. We had brought it before the court as well. That one, the malifieds as far as the complainant lady itself is concerned. The second, the intention of the present government. Both the things weighed in the mind of the court, and they have put on hold any coercive action. As long as Mr. Yediyurappa is cooperating, I don't see any reason for arrest.
Do you feel it's a slam on the government and the so-called victim who is saying so?
It is for others to speculate on. I will not read it.
So one thing.